Aiki schools, when they do this classically, it's moving forward and catching up to it and then raising. But what does that do for him? If he sees that, he can hit right away, he can move and adjust his distance, right? Because I'm starting to move before I've even completed this movement. So what you're trying to do is move this way. Even if I'm further away, okay, I don't want to do this. Slow motion, it's almost like this. It's moving from under his vision. Notice my shoulders aren't moving yet. I'm not doing this. Yeah, you can see that. It just does this. Right? And then I move in. If I'm stationary, and that's why I'm working this non-telegraphing. I'm trying to do it where it's relaxed, it's moving up, and then you can move in with your body. And there's a lot of power when you use your body with this. Now the secondary thing is, if he's attacking, and he's coming down with shomen, the shomen should not be that wide. The shomen should not be, there we go. That's classical. Okay, how does a strike usually happen? Yeah, it's very short. The elbow stays pretty close to the body. You know, sometimes people let their elbows fly when they're really enraged, but normally they're not going to do this unless they have a bottle or something, and then they're like, wow! And normally they're not going to go, here I come, right? It's short. So the movement is short. So even if we're going ikkyo, I have to stop this elbow. It's all about the elbow. Our ikkyo is not going to do this. Okay? You're never going to get the elbow up anymore. It's just, against somebody that's resisting it, this is not going to happen. That will, okay? It's not going to happen. And people say, well, shouldn't you be able to enter in and move them with your body? And, yeah, that would be great, but that doesn't happen. Okay? I can use my body, but I'm still not going to get his elbow up. Okay? You notice how it's still coming across? No higher than his shoulder. They come in there, so that you have that. Okay? So that's going to control the distance for that. Okay? And this is fine even with wakigatame or hijishime. Okay? So if you notice I slipped off that one, but you still have the wakigatame. Okay? So this movement is important. Now when we start to move front and back, that's different. We're actually moving with the step. But your initial Aiki just stationary is just that. So we're going to practice that. Where you're actually moving it, where this is not moving, this is not moving, and about halfway up, you're entering in. Okay? Right, those are, and if you're doing shomen, keep the elbow short. Chop is short. Chop is short. Hey.